Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're a parent on the hunt for the best potty prizes for boys, you've just stumbled upon the perfect solution. Today, we're diving into a toy set that's not only fun, but also a powerful tool for motivation and learning. Meet the Pullback Cart 12-piece mini truck toy kit set. Let's start with what's inside the box. The moment you open it, you're greeted with 12 colorful, miniature construction vehicles. We're talking dump trucks, cement mixers, excavators, bulldozers. Each one uniquely designed and perfectly sized for little hands. These aren't just generic shapes either. The attention to detail makes them feel like tiny versions of real-world construction vehicles. And at just about 2.2 inches long, they're compact, yet sturdy, ideal for both solo and group play. But what makes this set special goes beyond looks. These are pullback cars. That means no batteries, no electronics, just classic mechanical fun. Your child simply pulls one of the trucks backward, lets it go, and off it zooms across the floor. It's fast, smooth, and brings a big smile every time. And because it's so easy to use, even younger kids, 3 years and up, can jump right into the action. This toy set is more than just entertainment, it's an educational opportunity. These vehicles are a gateway to imaginative play. Your child isn't just pushing a car around. They're building cities, rescuing imaginary citizens, loading and unloading cargo. Playing roles that encourage creativity, storytelling, and even early engineering thinking. Whether it's alone or with friends, this kind of open-ended play is invaluable for developing motor skills and cognitive abilities in toddlers and preschoolers. Durability is another standout feature. These trucks are made from high-quality, non-toxic plastic that feels lightweight but solid. Drop them, crash them, race them across the tile. These little machines are built to handle rough play. And because they're compact, they're perfect for indoor fun, car rides, or packing into party favor bags. Speaking of party favors, this set is a top pick for birthday parties, Easter egg fillers, stocking stuffers, and classroom rewards. You're not just buying one toy. You're getting a bundle that can be divided up and shared. It's an economical choice for parents, teachers, or anyone organizing a celebration with young kids. If you're looking for a way to motivate your little one during potty training or teach them the value of rewards and responsibility, these mini trucks are a brilliant option. Each car can be a prize, a goal, or a surprise, making everyday tasks something to look forward to. So, to sum it up, this 12-piece pullback cart truck toy kit from KarberDark delivers on fun, education, durability, and value. Whether you're filling a party bag or celebrating small victories like potty success, this set is a guaranteed hit with boys and girls alike. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun, thoughtful product critiques right here on Product Critique. See you next time.